Hello guys and welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how you can download the TapTap on TapTap store on any iOS devices. So yes, it is available now for any iOS devices. It is you need to use an emulator to run this TapTap store on your device, on your iOS device. It is working for iPhones and iPads. I have an iPhone right here, but it is also working for any iPads with the latest iOS version. So as you can see right here, TapTap, we can run it. I will show you that it is really working. So we can discover forums, rankings and my games. So all you need to do is to go to the emulator page, or as you can see right here, ogapps.top. So let me now remove this TapTap store and let's go to the emulator page, which is ogapps.top. Right there, go to this and search for TapTap store, click on here and select the iOS platform, and now the downloading process will start for me this way. So the downloading process might take a couple of seconds or a minute, it depends on your internet connection speed. So as you can see, I have pretty fast internet connection speed because it is almost done and now it is installing the TapTap iOS for my device. So it should be installed right now. So let's close the Safari browser and check. Yes, I have the TapTap for iOS installed on my device this way. So I hope you like this video, like this tutorial. Thanks for watching and bye.